In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate documents using ChatGPT in a simple, fast and practical way. If you ever need to convert a document from one language to another without losing the original structure, this method can save you a ton of time. You can use it for business files, school documents, client work and everyday translations. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your PC web browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the official ChatGPT website so you can work securely and avoid any confusion with unofficial tools. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface where you can begin a new conversation. This is where you'll upload your document and give ChatGPT the instructions it needs. Next, look for the paperclip icon or the plus icon near the chat input box. This is the file upload button. Click it, then browse your computer and select the document you want to translate. It can be a text document, report, letter, or another supported file type. After you choose the file, attach it to the chat so ChatGPT can read its contents. Now comes an important step: writing a clear prompt. The better your instructions are, the better the translation will be. Type exactly what you want ChatGPT to do. For example, you can say, translate this document from French into English, keep a professional business tone, and preserve all headings and bullet points in a downloadable document. You can also mention whether you want the translation to sound formal, casual, technical, or conversational. If you want to keep the formatting, be very specific. Tell ChatGPT to maintain the original structure, including headings, bullet points, tables, and paragraphs. If you want the final result in a certain layout, say that too. For example, you might ask it to keep the same formatting as the original file, or to present the translated version in a clean, easy-to-read style. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter or click the Send button. ChatGPT will begin processing the uploaded document and translating the content based on your instructions. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few moments. During this step, ChatGPT will generate the translated version and usually provide a downloadable document link or a formatted output you can save. When the translation is complete, carefully review the result. Check for accuracy, formatting, and tone. If you're translating something important, like a business agreement or formal document, take a moment to make sure the wording still makes sense in the new language. You can always ask ChatGPT to refine specific sections if needed. After you're happy with the translation, click the download link provided and save the document to your PC. That way, you'll have a local copy ready to use, share, or edit further. If necessary, you can rename the file so it's easy to identify later. And that's it. You've just learned how to translate documents using ChatGPT from start to finish. It's a simple workflow. Open ChatGPT, upload your file, write a clear translation prompt, review the output, and download the finished document to your computer. This is a great way to speed up translation work while keeping control over tone and formatting. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.